everyone, in today's video I will be showing you how I cover my dark circles. So as of now I have nothing on my face and I am just going to wipe my face with the makeup wipe and I'll show you what my face normally look like with no makeup. And voila, this is it. So first, this is all done. So this is my face with no makeup and dark circles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my eye makeup first and my foundation first. I will not be doing the hiding dark circles, and once I get to the dark circles, then I will turn my camera back on. Stay tuned. Alright, so I am back with my makeup or my foundation, and then this is the full shebang. Now I'm going to show you what products do I use and how do I cover my dark circles or the purple or blue undertone. So first thing first, I am going to take a stipple brush or you can take any brush, to be honest. The foundation that I use is by Kryolan, and the brush that I use is Real Technique, and the brush is setting brush. This is the best brush to set your under eye and to prevent the crease or the set from there. So first you're going to get any concealer. It doesn't have to be Kryolan, whichever one you have or whichever one you can afford easily or easily provided to you, you can go for that. So I'm gonna look up. It's going to take off my highlighter or go a little over my highlighter, which is fine because I did want some highlighter to peek through the concealer part. And then you're going to take the brush, rub the brush on top, and then hold it from this side and then tap, tap, tap. You don't want to swipe because then you will see the lines or the strokes. So tap, 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 keep looking up. Tap, tap, tap. Don't poke your eye while you're looking up. Or if you need to see it in the mirror, get a compact mirror. I'm pretty sure most of the palettes comes with it. And don't worry if it's going to mess up with your highlighter contour. So tap, 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 turn over, tap. And this is the Wet Damp Beauty Blender that I'm using. And then whatever the axis is, you can tap it on the middle of your forehead and some on the cane or on top of the cupid bow. And to set, we are going to get any setting brush and take a good powder or like good quantity of a powder and then give it a big tap to remove the excess. And then just keep looking up and then tap to set it. And then I promise you this is not going to crease. And then now, cannot forget this, setting spray. So for me, I like to do setting spray before I do the highlighter because setting spray helps the highlighter stay in one place because I like my highlighter pretty glittery and pretty snatched. And I will link all the products below, whichever ones I used. And here's the complete look. Please let me know what do you think about it. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment and like, and let me know what other videos you want me to do. And if you guys have any questions, please don't forget to comment below. You can also follow me on my other social media. My Instagram is Nabia Beauty and my YouTube is Nabia Beauty as well. Be safe, take care.